The Scudo Aubrey Reed Green Wall-Hung Tall Boy Unit 1200mm is an ideal addition to enhance the look of your bathroom. Its wall-hung design not only adds to its visual appeal, but also saves precious floor space, making it look more spacious. This tall boy unit is designed with your convenience in mind. It comes assembled and ready to be hung on the wall, saving you time and effort. The two soft closed doors ensure a smooth and silent closure, adding to its convenience. What's more, this versatile piece of bathroom furniture can be hung in either direction, allowing you to choose whether the doors hinge on the left or right edge, depending on your bathroom's layout. If you want to enhance the style and functionality of your bathroom, the Scudo Aubrey Reed Green Wall-Hung Tall Boy Unit 1200mm is an excellent option. Elevate your bathroom's look with this sophisticated and practical unit and rediscover your love for your bathroom. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo bathroom furniture range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.